If you're in the medical device industry, you've probably heard the phrase, we need ISO 13485 to get certified. But here's the truth. ISO 13485 is more than just a checkbox. It's the backbone of quality and consistency across your business. ISO 13485 is the international standard for medical device quality management systems. It ensures you have systems in place for design control, risk management, supplier qualification, complaint handling, traceability and recall, internal audits, and CAPA. It's not just about passing an audit, it's about building a culture of continuous improvement, one that lowers risk, reduces complaints, and supports innovation. Companies with a strong QMS get to market faster, attract investment more easily, and avoid costly recalls and reworks. If you're a manufacturer looking to CE mark, a contract manufacturer supplying critical components, or a startup seeking investor confidence, then ISO 13485 isn't optional, it's essential. At Patient Guard, we help you design and implement ISO 13485 systems tailored to your business. Simple, compliant, effective. Don't just tick the box, build a quality system that powers your growth. Get in touch at patientguard.com today.